Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm going to put this plastic liner in. It's 1 meter wide by 10 meters long. So I've painted it up. I've put some caps on. I haven't put them in yet. So the plastic liner I'm just going to attach around everywhere, all the way, and then I'll remove these, and then I'll staple the plastic into here, and then I'll put the caps back on, just so it gives it that nice, neat, flush look. Yeah, and then I need to drill the holes for the drainage. I think I'm gonna do 2 in each, maybe one here, so two all the way. And yeah, then we're ready to fill it up and start planting, because it is the first week of spring and I need to get some veggies in the ground. So yeah, I think it looks really good now. This nice black, it's just exterior black paint. And it really matches my shelf on this side, which I did in one of my previous videos. I've decided the drainage holes are not large enough, so this is the biggest drill bit I have. It's not that big, so I'm just widening them up a bit. So I'm just putting the drill in like this. I'm just rocking it back and forth a bit, so it's pretty much almost double the size now. So I've done those for there as well. So I'm just gonna finish these up and then put the capping on, and then I think I'm done. And then I'll just gotta fill her up with some soil. Oh, and then I have to get my plants. So yeah. Alright, officially done. Here's my miter. The cap's on, the plastic top's in, the waterproofing. So I've got 2 layers in here. This one goes down here, across up here, and then this side goes down here, comes here, and then up there. Yeah, the cap's holding it down. I stapled it in as well. You can see a little staple there. The drainage holes, I just shoved my drill bit through. I don't know if that is enough drainage. I kind of feel like it isn't, but we'll see how we go. I can always drill from underneath up if there's any issues with the soil getting too acidic. Yeah, so this is the ground tier, the bottom tier. Obviously it's open in the middle because that's just the water will just drain through. And yeah, I think it's turned out really well. I'm really happy with it, and I'm excited to just get planting. So thank you for watching the video, guys. That is the underneath. So I'm going to be storing some pots and fertilizer and whatever else under here, just some storage. It's an extra piece of timber support I put under there. And yeah, I'll show you the legs. Okay, thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll fill this in with soil, a whole bunch of stuff, and then I'll get planting for the next video. And finally I can grow my own veggies. Thanks, guys. Cheers. Bye.